pet stains. Already disappearing. Here's another one. And look at that. Already gone. Not quite, but it's leaving. All right, so this machine right here, you actually can clean carpets with it, but I don't use it to clean carpets. I use it to scrub carpets so we can pull all this here up. And it helps with stains too. Like over here, I didn't do this area. Over here, you can see more pet hair. And I think the client had cats, but it smelled much better. Carpets look fresh for now, but when I clean it, it's gonna look much better. All this here and stuff, no need to worry about it. I'm gonna get all that off. So this is my process. It's called agitation. Same here. This room was the worst room, but as you can see, the pet issues are gone. We got rid of those pet issues. And our next process, as you can see, we're running the hoses in. We're gonna steam the carpet.